good at saying that though?
LMFAO?
Yeah.
Hi, James.
That's the name of it.
Yeah, who's saying it?
LOL.
LMFAO?
Yeah.
who's saying it?
No,
That's the name of them.
that's the
Oh,
name
that's
of the
his
artist.
name? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the name of the artist.
Why?
Penis.
Oh, you sick.
Your face is cracking
Hey.
up.
Penis.
Vagina.
Ryan's.
Hey, this cannot go.
Hey, man, you could just cut off Ryan's part.
Can you?
You got a movie maker?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
A 10 butt line.
Small?
How small?
Alex. James.
Hey, Dawn.
Hey, what's the zip code over here?
94122.
94122?
Yeah.
Tutus.
I'll let you use this address for applying.
Nice.
Just so it's closer.
15 miles of the zip code.
Just put 5.
5?
Yeah.